I spent 30 years building a life that I didn't even like. That's pretty effed up, and it's a hard sentence to say because from the outside, it looked like I was doing what I was supposed to do. Working hard, making more money, buying stuff, paying the bills, keeping my wife and kids happy. Just keep moving. And that's exactly what I did. Year after year, decade after decade, for 30 years. But I never asked myself one time if I was happy. Wasn't asking if I was healthy. Wasn't asking myself what kind of life did I want. Just surviving. Pretty good survival, I thought at the time. And I think a lot of Gen X are kind of in the same boat, and they understand it. We were just taught to keep our head down and handle that shit. Don't talk about your feelings. Just push through it, baby. That's what we did. And then one day you wake up and you're 57. Every day your body hurts. Your health is a mess. People you love are gone. And the years, faster than you ever imagined. And then you realize something. You can spend your whole life being responsible and still end up unhappy. Isn't that ironic? For me, that realization just kicked me in the teeth. I had a heart scare. I gave myself type 2 diabetes. I got very fat. I ignored my health for decades. Not because I was dumb, because I was busy, sincerely busy building a life that I tried to make perfect. But here's the good news. Even if you're in a similar situation, it's not too late. I don't care if you're 40. I don't care if you're 57 like me. I don't care if you're 67. You can still change the entire direction of your life. You can lose the weight. You can repair relationships with everyone. You can start walking and you stop drinking. I did after years. You can learn something different. You can move somewhere you always wanted. You can build a different future. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm building a new life, a life that I enjoy, a healthier life, simpler, happier. My wife and I, 2 years I've been married. She's from Colombia. My wife Sandra and I are moving to the mountains of Colombia. Here's the point. If you've already done that for 30 years, don't do that again for 10 years. Live in a life that you don't want. Because that bill's gonna come due. One thing none of us is gonna get back is our time and our life. It's a hell of a thing to realize, but it's not too late. If you're starting over, please type I'm in. Let me know you're doing it with us. I'm an accountability coach. I help people get off the couch, change their life, lose weight, and get going again. If you need some help, my email is in the bio below, erichobaugh@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.